What if I told you, your slow cooker might be overcooking everything because its low setting is actually a rolling boil in disguise? We tested 15+ top models with adjustable temperature probes and digital controls, measuring true simmer temps, consistency, and flexibility, and the results will shock meal prep lovers. One popular model couldn't hold a true low simmer, while our number 3 maintained perfect, precise temperatures for delicate sauces and tough meats alike. If you want precision in your set and forget cooking, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Ninja MC1101 Foodi Cooker. The Ninja Foodi Cooker offers exceptional versatility with its 8-in-1 functionality, allowing you to slow cook, sauté, and prepare rice and pasta all in one pot. This means less time spent on meal prep and cleanup, as you can cook mains and sides together efficiently. Its spacious 6.5 quart capacity is perfect for feeding families or meal prepping for the week, easily accommodating large portions. Plus, it cooks rice 50% faster than traditional methods, making it a great choice for busy weeknights when time is limited. Number 2. Elite Gourmet Triple Slow Cooker. The Elite Triple Slow Cooker is the perfect addition for any family gathering or holiday. With its 3 separate 2.5 QT stoneware oval pots, you can prepare and serve 3 separate dishes at the same time. The individual cooking controls, with low, high, and warm settings, allow you to prepare a wide range of recipes with varying temperature requirements. The pots are removable, making it easier to serve delicious foods, and the unique lid rest design eliminates the worry of where to place the lid when serving. Cleaning up is easy with the dishwasher-safe stoneware pots and lids, and the base can be wiped clean with a little warm soapy water. The Elite Triple Slow Cooker also includes many recipes that will become family and holiday favorites, taking the guesswork out of what to prepare. Number 3. HOUSNAT Programmable Slow Cooker. The HOUSNAT 10-in-1 Programmable Slow Cooker offers versatile cooking functions including low and high slow cook setting, sear/sauté, roast, bake, steam, stew, rice, multigrain, sous vide, and yogurt. You can customize your cooking with adjustable cooking time and temperature, 24-hour delay start feature, and automatic keep warm function. The real-time display of the remaining cooking time and selected temperature and PID temperature control system make cooking easier and more enjoyable. The slow cooker is made with thick 304 stainless steel inner pot, cool touch handles, and tempered glass lid for safe and durable use. Cleaning is easy with the removable pot and glass lid that are dishwasher safe. Number 4. Bella Slow Cooker. The Bella Slow Cooker is designed for those who enjoy cooking large meals with ease. Its 6-quart capacity allows you to prepare big batches of your favorite dishes, from hearty soups to full roasts, perfect for family dinners or meal prep. With its Evergood ceramic nonstick coating, you can cook without worrying about toxic chemicals, and cleanup is simple since food slides right out. The 4 programmable cooking presets help you plan your meals ahead of time, while the adjustable temperature settings ensure your dishes are cooked just right, whether you prefer slow-simmered flavors or quick meals. Number 5. GreenLife Slow Cooker. The GreenLife Cook Duo 6-quart slow cooker is the perfect addition to your kitchen for easy and healthy cooking. With its extra-large 6-quart capacity, you can easily prepare family-sized meals. The lightweight and removable pot is stovetop and oven-ready, allowing you to sear your ingredients for added flavor. The healthy ceramic nonstick interior ensures effortless release and quick cleanup, making your cooking experience even more convenient. Plus, the coating is free of harmful toxins, so you can enjoy healthier meals. The easy-to-use control panel with delay timer in 3 modes, low/medium/high, allows you to cook your meals exactly the way you want. Whether you need to go low and slow or speed things up, this slow cooker has got you covered. The GreenLife Cook Duo 6-quart slow cooker is also perfect for meal prepping or planning ahead. The clear glass lid lets you keep an eye on your meal, and both the lid and pot are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. So which adjustable slow cooker will you trust with your signature dishes? Simmer your thoughts in the comments. If this precision cooking review upgraded your meals, slow cook that like button, it helps us test more. Want more kitchen tech truths? Subscribe. Next week we're testing multi-cookers. All our top picks are linked below. Cook with confidence.